Hi, I'm Craig with Granite Shield. Today we're going to show you that we can seal artificial stones, silestone, Caesar stone, quartz surfaces as they're called. This is a piece of Caesar stone. It's number 6140 Smoky Ash. So I'm going to turn this over now, and I've taped half of it. So we're going to put our first sealer into it. Again, spraying it into our hand, rubbing it in, and you can see how it goes dark almost instantly. Even though this product is 98% non-porous, you can see that our sealer will penetrate it very easily, very quickly. And then we just wait for it to half dry, and then we'll buff that off. Okay, now this is starting to streak, which is half drying. I'm going to remove the carrier and the excess off the stone. And then I will buff it with a microfiber to remove all residue. And we'll let it dry back to its natural color before we do the next step. Now we're going to apply our second step. Spray it in, rub it in. Wait till it half dries. Now it's half dry, we're going to remove the residue and then use a microfiber to finish it off. And then we're ready for step 3. Now we're applying our third and final step, spraying it on, rubbing it in, waiting for it to half dry, which it already is. Buff off the surface, the excess, microfiber, and it's finished. Now we've sealed this half of the Caesar stone, so we're going to remove the tape. And you can see it's just a little bit deeper shine, a little more enhanced. This is the sealed side, this is the unsealed side. Now this is the unsealed side, here's the sealed side of our Caesar stone. We're going to show you the repellency of each side independently. And then right in the middle. As you can see, the water is migrating to the unsealed side and leaving the sealed side completely. And when we try to wipe this away, the sealed side just leaves and you have some residual hold on the other side. So you can see water runs away from Granite Shield.